model, 2017 Ford Transit Custom 2.0 TDCi Trend Euro 6 Spares OR Repairs Body, Silver, Panel Van Mileage, 53,935 MOT. The 26th of June 2024 Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCi 130 PSA Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, non-runner timing belt has slipped. Usually a nice easy fix on these 2.0 Ford engine condition summary. Bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features: part service history, parking sensors, cruise control, air-con, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap. Retail, £12,595. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.